Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will create a chatbot using Python. So you can see I have created a dictionary of responses. So whenever the user enter hello, chatbot will respond hello, how can I help you today. Similarly, if user enter hi, this will be the chatbot response. If user enter how are you, this will be the chatbot response. Similarly, if I ask username, this will be the chatbot response. So this way we can create a dictionary of as many responses as we want. For this demo purpose, I have created a dictionary of these responses, as you can see. So I have created a dictionary of responses, you can see. So this is the dictionary, and here you can add multiple responses as well based upon your requirement. Okay, so now what we will do, so first of all we will print on the screen chatbot, hi I am your chatbot, and then I will print type by to end the chat. So this is the logic, very simple logic. So you can see user has to type the by, you have to type by to end the chat. So in this, so if the response of the user is by, then I will break it from the while loop. So what I am doing in the loop, I am taking the input from the user and I am converting it into the lower, because all my, you can see all the responses are in lower. So I have converted the text whatever the user enter into lower, and then I will check if the input whatever the user enter is in the dictionary. If the input is in user, if the user is in dictionary, dictionary name is responses, then I will print, what I will do, chatbot will respond. So I will pass the value of a user input here, and then I will extract the response from the dictionary. For example, let's say user enter hi. So here the value of user will be hi, input will be hi, and response is hi. So it will search for that response in the dictionary and it will respond hi there. If the value is your name, it will respond I am your friendly Python chatbot. And you can see, okay, so it will print chatbot responses. And if the user type something else, so I am using else, then the chatbot will respond I don't understand that yet, but I am learning. Very simple. And if the user enter by, then it will break from the loop, because I have mentioned here you have to type by to end the chat. Very simple. So this is the very simple code. You can see simply created a dictionary, and then with the help of loop I am getting the responses from the dictionary. So let's run this. So now I will run this code. So you can see the output. I have here you can see the response. So if I type hi, the chatbot will respond hi there. And if I type let's say joke, chatbot will respond the joke. And if I type name, chatbot will respond the name. And if I type something else, let's say any invalid, let's say song, chatbot will respond I don't understand that yet, but I am learning. But you can create a dictionary of responses and you can add the response of song also. Okay, and unless I type by, you can see it will keep running. So if I type by, chatbot will respond goodbye, have a wonderful day. So this way we can create a chatbot, simple chatbot using Python. So it's very important for your interview point of view. So It could be asked to create a simple chatbot using Python. Simply create a dictionary of responses and create a infinite loop. So while true, it will ask the input from the user and check the response in the dictionary, and it will print. Unless user enter by, it will break from the loop. Okay, and then if the response, if the input is not in the responses, it will print the else part chatbot. I don't understand that yet, but I am learning. So very simple code. I hope you have understood it. Thank you for watching.